Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change each lighting notification on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. Well, the edge of the screen light up with various patterns and colors when a notification comes through, which can be visually pleasing. So, how to change the edge lighting notifications on this device? Let's go to the tutorial. Okay, for the first step, you have to go to the settings menu on your device. Okay, after that, here you can select notification. Then choose brief pop-up settings. Well, and then tap on the edge lighting style. So here you can select one of several edge lighting style. Okay, next you can also change the color here. And lastly, you can set the duration and transparency of the edge lighting notification on your device. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to change edge lighting notification on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.